How cold is it, Prajit? How cold is it?
बर्फ है, बर्फ है. What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog, and we are at Kufri right now, leaving for Kasol, and you see snow right behind us. यार और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? ठंड मतलब जम के ऐसा कोई पार्ट नहीं बचा जो जमा नहीं है.
And it's day 3 today.
Yes, it's day 3, episode 3. Going to Kasol. Kasol, man, there's like, we're just gonna go to some cafe, just chill. That's the plan. There's no other plan today. But आपको आज के जर्नी में it's all about the road, the places through which we are going to pass by. Just stay tuned, guys. This is going to be legend. Wait for it. Derry. At some place on the way to Kasol, a very beautiful place here. और रुके हैं, just एक चाय मारेंगे मस्त and आगे चलेंगे. नींद आ रही है, मैं मस्त सो रहा हूँ और बस यार थोड़ी अच्छा नींद हो जाएगा तो फिर रात को थोड़ा चिल मिल मार सकते हैं. But temperature is pretty low यार, बहुत ठंडा है. मतलब मैं ग्लव्स पहन के बैठा हुआ हूँ और तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया, मेरा जूता ना मतलब इट्स नॉट द परफेक्ट शू फॉर स्नो एंड ऑल. थोड़ा सा पानी स्नो थोड़ा मेल्ट होकर के थोड़ा पानी वगैरह थोड़ा अंदर घुस गया तो माई शूज़ वेट एंड ठंडा है. नेले पे दहला लग रही है पूरी वाली.
Oh, very cold and I couldn't sleep well. But थोड़ी देर के बाद नींद आ गई.
Come, biscuit.
But too cold and bearable.
Biscuit.
Come.
She is like I couldn't sleep the whole night and stuff. बहुत ठंडा था, बहुत ठंडा, नो डाउट यार. कल -1 या 0 के आसपास कुछ था रात को, तो बैंड बजी थी.
Hi guys, my name is Rohan Chawda. I'm a stand-up comedian and I am so privileged and honored to take interview of Prajit. He is the one and the founder of Mining Miles. So follow him, subscribe. I would like to ask him few questions. Hi Prajit.
Yeah. Yes.
Where are you going?
We are going to Kasol.
What a beautiful place. Where are we right now?
That is, I have no damn idea, man. मैं तेरे को देखा, तू सो गया था, मैं भी सो गया थोड़ा देर. सोते मैं सडनली रोक दिया. मैं बोला कहाँ आ गए.
तू क्या पी रहा है? चीनी माटी के चम्मच के ग्लास में.
ब्लैक टी. उसको पूछा, बोला मैं ब्लैक कॉफी दे, और मेरे को ब्लैक टी दिया. मैं बोला चलो ठीक है.
This Pahadi people are amazing. What a view this place is having, यार.
This thing was so hot like a minute back.
Yeah.
एकदम ठंडा हो गया.
Now it's iced tea.
Now it's iced tea. But what a place, यार.
What a beautiful place, man.
ये देखो, I am like a camera का भंडार. This camera is also with me, and my backpack has like a gimbal, like a drone. कितनी सारी.
So all the gadget freak people, जहाँ भी प्रजीत मिला, just kidnap him. He is worth 2 lakh rupees walking. चलता फिरता 2 लाख का आदमी है ये. Just kidnap him. तो प्रजीत आज रिवर राफ्टिंग करने वाले अपन? नहीं करने वाले.
नहीं, आज
कभी
नहीं,
करने
कल
वाले?
आई थिंक कल करेंगे रिवर राफ्टिंग. इस बार मेरा 2 बार रिवर राफ्टिंग हो जाएगा.
2 बार.
कल हम लोग जो करेंगे वो, एंड देन मैं उत्तराखंड जब जा रहा हूँ इसके बाद.
Oh, you also going Uttarakhand?
Yeah, after this trip, when you guys will return, I'm continuing my journey going towards Uttarakhand.
Wow, on bike or in car?
So I'm from Chandigarh. I'm going to go to Dehradun by, I have not decided how. I'll see. वहाँ से I'm going to rent a bike and go around, and that's.
So this is not a planned trip.
It's an unplanned trip.
Wow, guys, never do such kind of trip. Okay, it's dangerous. Please have a plan. Unless you are Prajit from Mining Miles, follow him, guys.
pretty. The only thing is, it's a really long journey. It's been already 6 to 7 hours since we are inside the van traveling. अब 3-4 घंटे और 3 घंटे के आसपास है और to reach Kasol. It was only 350 kilometers, but 10 to 11 hours का journey है. Pretty long, but part and parcel of the journey, you know. Travel में ये सब करना पड़ता है, but मज़ेदार है, मज़ा आ रहा है. I'm actually out over here. अपनी गाड़ी यहाँ पे है. Alright, so this is fun. So यहाँ पे traffic जमा हो गई थी and I'm out, like looking at the river right here. This is so beautiful, yeah. I don't see something like this ever. Wow. Okay, those guys are waiting. I have to run. We are at Mandi right now. Plan to buy some oranges here. तो देखते हैं oranges का क्या प्राइस है और कितने फ्रेश है. फ्रेश तो मेरे को बहुत लग रहा है. ये ऑरेंज मेरे लिए तो यही ऑरेंज है. ये किन्नू है. क्या है? किन्नू. किन्नू क्या होता है? किन्नू क्या होता है?
वो ये वाला है, इसको किन्नू बोलते हैं.
होता क्या है?
एक फ्रूट है, उसका नाम किन्नू है. ये है ना संतरा.
What is किन्नू?
किन्नू is kind of संतरा only, but ये
Kind of संतरा. तो मुझे पता चल रहा है, but किन्नू है क्या? What is किन्नू? Please comment on the comment section. I don't know what किन्नू is. Okay, I got किन्नू in my hand. What किन्नू ये तो ये ऑरेंज ही लग रहा है मेरे को. I don't know what किन्नू is. What is the difference?
So it is orange. हमारे बॉम्बे में बोलते हैं imported संतरा. Yeah.
Look at this.
And the other संतरा is called as the Nagpur संतरा.
Nagpur.
Nagpur संतरा. So we are looking for that Nagpur वाला संतरा.
We are looking for Nagpur संतरा in Himachal. We're going next to the river right now, and I see the mountains right there. Himachal Pradesh is so pretty, man. Wow, this is so sweet. This is a treat to my life right now.
Oh my god. This place is amazing. Actually, one thing is good that they have kept this very raw.
Yeah.
There are no people. I think it's an unexplored place which Mining Miles have found it
Absolutely.
just for his audience. Look at that. Wow.
Look at the color of this place. Not the place.
The water is not
the
white.
watercolor.
The water is
It's
not white.
something
It's
different
not blue.
altogether. Okay, we can go from there. Come on. Yeah. Totally.
Oh my god.
I want to test
Oh.
the temperature of this water.
Let's do that.
Can you hold this, please?
Let's do that.
Alright. Okay.
So Prajeet is going to test the water temperature just for you people. How cold is it, Prajeet?
Shit.
How cold is it?
बर्फ है.
It's
बर्फ है.
बर्फ.
This is ice water, bhai. Time for a drone shot right now. Just stay tuned. This is the best part about this trip. So किरण मैडम कैसा लगा?
माइनिंग माइल्स पे आके एकदम मजा आया. So we are here having fun, guys.
This
So
is the most
place-
unexplored place.
Yes.
Unexplored. Trust me, nobody comes over
Nobody
here.
comes here,
This
and we
is-
came,
Because
This is absolutely
and mining mile came.
Yeah, and trust me, this was so amazing right now. Like taking drone shots here, clicking some pictures. There's a lot of pictures which are going to be there on Instagram, Mining Miles. उसको भी follow करो, देखो यार.
Follow and subscribe.
follow Prajeet
subscribe.
Mining Minds.
Yes, yes,
because
yes.
he
Please
is going to
subscribe
shoot
him.
more amazing videos and pictures
sure.
for next
Yes.
upcoming 16 days.
Vaishali
Stay
madam.
tuned.
Hi.
What's happening with you?
Oh, I am enjoying this blissful moment. Oh, it's worth the trip. The river, the stones, my friends. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में?
बस यही तो चाहिए ना. इसलिए तो आए यहाँ पे all the way. And like there's a sand also here, which is something very different, isn't it? You don't really find a lot of sand, right?
Yeah, it's all
This
white
is
sand.
yeah, white sand, and this is something very strange. Anyway, whatever it was, this was an unexplored place. People really don't come over here much.
Yep.
Next destination, Kasol Strait. I'll see you guys there. Finally, we reached the place. It's called the Parvati Woods Camping. It's a tent. If you guys can see, tent दिया हुआ है. और मैं यहाँ पे आया 15-20 मिनट. I just wanted to sleep. I just wanted to relax. बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा है, तो not possible to show you the outside right now. But the next episode is going to be amazing. Just wait for it. I'm going to show you the tent and the whole campsite and everything. Till that time, take care. Love you guys always. Cheers.